Hi friends, today we come to the day 12 of our mirror work. Today's topic is overcoming your fear. How we can overcome our fear. Today we learn about how the power of fear is acting on you and how to overcome that and how your life can take care of it. So now fear is overcoming you. Now you want to overcome the fear and you do not want to give any power of your life to fear. You want to take care of that power. Look into your mirror. Take a deep breath and see how confident you are after doing the mirror work. Give a kiss, blow a kiss to yourself. Okay, and because mirror is helping you to release. Yesterday we released the anger, we learned the self-love, we released the letting go of the past. So many good things it is doing you. Mirror is became your best friend, right? So let us it is reflecting, it is actually reflecting you, and it is helping you to release the past, and it is helping you to release the negative feelings and filling it with the positive feelings. So life loves you, isn't it? So yes, you, when life is loving you, we also love. So as I love my life, you love your life, right? Today mirror work is of an emotion that is blocking you from loving yourself, because the fear is the feeling, an emotion. It is blocking you to love yourself, forgiving others, and having a happy life that you deserve. So that emotion is nothing but a fear. So fear is a rampant in the planet today because there is a lot of fears, right? Fear of war for the countries to countries, fear of murder, fear of greed, fear of mistrust, fear of losing job, fear of what not. There is so fear of losing a partner, fear of so many things. The fear is there. Fear is the lack of trust in yourself. Trust me friends, fear is nothing but lack of trust in yourself. If I can do it, I am capable of doing it. My life serves me all the good that I want it. If you are trusting yourself, there is no fear. Fear is coming because you are not trusting yourself. You will begin trust your life. Once you start trusting your life, once you believe that life is taking care of you well, then you will not actually have that fear. If you want to learn more about it, read the book of Susan Jeffers, Feel the Fear and Do It Anyway. It's a very good book, friends. Feel the fear and do it anyway. It's a very famous book. Okay. If everybody is actually having a fear, you are having a fear and I am having a fear, everybody is having a fear. But some are doing it, some are not doing it, which means actually the problem is not the fear. The problem is how we are holding the fear is the problem. When some people are able to hold that fear, they are feeling the fear but doing it anyway and overcome that particular fear, and some are not able to hold that fear and they are just stopping it there. So they are becoming a helpless, because when they cannot hold the fear, they are becoming a helpless. So they are giving the power to the fear. So let us not give the power to the fear. When fearful thought comes up and it is really trying to protect you, no matter, suppose if there is a fire and if you want to go there, then it says that the thought says that it will hurt you. So you will come out because of that fear. You think that because of the fear you are coming back. But actually thing is, there is a wisdom is there. Because when you touch the fire, it will hurt you. That's the wisdom is there. That is why you're coming up. This fear you cannot compare with the other fears. The other fear is lack of trust within you. Okay. You become physically frightened, or some physically frightened to protect from these dangers and all, right? So let us do the mirror work. Talk to your fear. Okay. Talk to your fear. Say that, hey, I know you are trying to protect me. I appreciate your help. I thank you. I acknowledge your thought that you want to take care of me. Okay. Talk to your fear, whatever the fear that is coming, right? Talk to your fear. By observing your fear and addressing them during the mirror work, you will begin to recognize that you are not your fears. You are separate and the fear is separate. So you are talking to your fear so that you can get rid of that. Okay. Think of your fears. What actually, for what you are actually fearing. View the images of a movie screen, right? Movie screen which is coming really. That's not the real, but it is coming. The pictures are coming celluloid, flash by flash by flash. Think of all your fears that is coming the flash. Fear is a limitation of your mind. We have to understand that fear is a limitation of our mind. Your fear is a fear of becoming a sick, fear of losing the loved one, fear of losing a job, fear of losing a partner, fear. All these are all the limiting. It is limiting your mind. It is not allowing you to love yourself and love others. So it is a limiting thought. So there is always a choice between love and fear. Which one you want to choose? We want to choose the love, right? We don't want the fear. Okay, so fear of not changing, fear of changing, fear of intimacy, fear of being alone, fear of going into the group, everything is a fear if you are to start doing it. So let us come out of that particular fear. When you love yourself, you cannot, you will take care of yourself. When you are loving yourself enough, when you are trusting yourself, so there won't be any fear. When you are frightened, remind yourself that it means that you are not trusting your life, or you are not trusting yourself. No, friends, we are trusting ourselves. With all these things, all these days we come across, we are trusting ourselves. So once you have that self-confidence, the fear will go away and we can love ourselves. But when we are approving ourselves, when we are loving ourselves completely, we will overcome the fear. So what is the today's affirmation? All is well. Everything is working out for my highest good. I am safe. Love is my strength, and only love is real. This fear is not real. Only love is real. With these affirmations, we will go with the mirror work today. Okay, as usual, let's go to the mirror, talk to the mirror, and what is the greatest fear that you have? Okay, what is the biggest fear that you have? You just take a sticky notes. Write down what is the biggest mirror you have. I know you want to protect me. Look at the sticky note, right? Read like this. I know you want to protect me. I release you because I'm safe. I don't need you. Okay, take that sticky note. Just rip it up or just read it and put it in the flush. Put it in the toilet and flush it, because you are throwing that fear away from you, and you are thinking that you are safe and you are protecting yourself and you are trusting yourself. You may have to do like it many a times, because whatever the fear you have to take out. And what is the affirmation that you have to do it? I love and trust. Love and life take care of me. Love and life is taking care of me. I am the one, and I am the one. And with the power that I created within me, I am safe. All is well in my world. Nothing is wrong. All is well in my world. Just hold. Take a deep breath. If you are feeling, because with the fear you may holding your breath, right? Take a deep breath. Don't feel threatened. You have a conscious breath. Get few deep breaths and release it very slowly. Okay. When you are taking a deep breath, you are widening your chest. And straightening your spine. Okay. It gives you a lot of room to expand, lot of room to fill the positive affirmations. Okay. I love you. Say, I love you. I love you. I really love you. I trust life, and life is giving me everything I need. There is nothing to fear. I am safe. All is well. These are the affirmations that you are going to keep it. So what is the journaling exercise? Write down what are the fears you have. Is it the family, health, career, relationships, finances? Write down, list down all the fears. And suppose if you just say health, I'm afraid that I may get sick and I may not able to take care of my family. This is your full fear. You have expanded the full thing. Then write the positive affirmation that I am always healthy. I will always attract the help that I need. Even if I'm sick, I always attract the help I need. I will be able to take care of the family very well. Write down the positive. For every fear you have, write down the positive affirmations and always read your positive affirmations again and again today, so that you will be able to do it. What is the heart thought for the day 12? That is, I am always perfectly protected. I am always perfectly protected. When fearful thought comes from you, it is trying to protect you, and tell that fear that I appreciate you want to protect me, but I am already protected. I am always protected. I have no fear. I acknowledge you. Thank you, fear. Please go away. I don't want to give the power to that. I don't want to give you a power. I don't want to give you importance to you, because I am always perfectly protected. So in this way, you can come out of the fear, friends. Fear is just a emotion which is when you do not have trust in your life, when you do not love yourself, when you do not trust yourself, this fear emotion will come out, friends. Okay, friends, let us see another topic tomorrow. Thank you.